Which Ulticlip do you need? I'm going to give a brief overview of all of our different clips so you can determine which one is right for your application. Additionally, I encourage you to go to ulticlip.com. We have mounting templates for all of our clips. You can check for size and hole spacing to ensure that the clip will work for your application. The clips are divided into two rows. All the clips you see on the bottom row are intended for belt carry. All the clips on the top work exactly the same. They're based on our patented beltless carry option. So I'm going to go through these and explain the different applications. The UltiTuck has a 2-hole side-by-side mounting option. It's the only clip on the market that mounts overhead that will also give you the option to tuck your shirt in. The mounting holes are T-shaped. That's going to give you a little bit of variance in the mounting hole spacing, as well as the T-shape gives you the ability to change cant. We have our slim models, the 2.2 inch model and the 3.3. The 2.2 is made for really short applications. The slim is ideal for using on knife sheaths. Because of the slim profile, there's no overhang off the outside of the knife sheath. Great for pocket carrying. The 3.3 has 2 slots, allows you to change for ride height and get that just where you want it. The Classic has a single mounting hole and a retention ridge. You can use it to mount with 1 screw or use the retention ridge, in this case with a leather holster. Some leather holsters or leather sheaths have a slot where you slide the clip in. There's a slot there, the clip pops through that, and then that retention ridge actually locks it into place and there's no screw that's used. Then last we have our 3 Plus that has a single mounting hole and 2 slots. That's going to give you a variety of options for mounting hole spacing as well as changing ride height. So I'm going to show you on this 3 Plus how all these clips that you see on the top row work. The flap on the top, you take your finger, lift that up, that unlocks the clip. You would take this, put it inside your jeans, clamp that down directly to the material, and then get positive retention. If you're carrying a knife, you can carry it in your pocket. If you want to use a belt, you can. It's not intended to be clamped onto a belt. It's only intended to be clamped directly to material. But if you use a belt, you take that belt and run over top of your the clip, and it's going to totally conceal that. So this beltless carry option actually gives you the option to conceal this by running your belt directly over top of it. To unlock it, you lift the flap up, take the tip of your finger, lift the clip up, and that allows you to pull the jeans out. Because of the locking mechanism on all the clips on this top row, we recommend taking a little bit of wax-based lip balm, putting it on the tip of your finger, and the 2 contact points that are on the outside edge, you apply a little bit right there and then open and close that, and that's going to allow this to keep working very smoothly. So that's the complete lineup of our beltless carry option. If you use a belt, just run it over top of the clip and it's going to totally conceal it. Here on the bottom we have our belt carry options, starting with our XL. Here I have the XL on a knife sheath. It has a center tab, which is the clip, and the outside 2 tabs are the locking mechanism. This actually becomes a locking steel belt loop once it's locked. The way you unlock it, take your 2 fingers on the outside 2 edges, lift up on that. That lifts the flap up, exposing the clip portion. Then you'd lift the clip up, put that over top of your pants around the belt, and then lock that on. And then it locks around the belt and will not come off. That's the XL. Here we have our AP clip and our AP wide. You're going to get the same exact mounting hardware for the AP wide as well as the AP. The only difference between the 2 clips is that this one has a wider profile at the top, give you more stability if you're wanting to carry a firearm, putting this around your belt. And then the AP, the thinner profile, is great, especially for knife sheaths because there's no overhang on the outside edge. So with this, you're going to get 1 clip for either the AP wide or the AP. It comes standard for 1 3/4 belt, or you can use the belt adapter to convert either one of these to an 1.5 belt. It comes with 2 different mounting options. You get a single short block that allows you to change the angle or the cant for the item that you're carrying, or you can use the long block to fix that clip into place so that it doesn't rotate. So those are the options for the AP and the AP wide. Then last we have our APH clip. The APH clip is extremely versatile for mounting holes. It allows you with the spring steel wire to be able to open that up to an 1.5 inch hole spacing, or collapse that down all the way to a single point attachment. The slots at the top are going to allow you to change this for 1.5 inch to 1 3/4 belt, as well as adjust cant for being able to carry a firearm. So those are the options we have from Ulticlip, the different clips. I recommend going to the website, download the mounting template to ensure that the clip that you purchase is going to work for your application.